I'm gonna make this video, guys. I have one of those things on my nose again.
Here we have Shark Shock.
Give it a full turn. My brother wanted to make this video. I didn't want to make it though. Scooby-Doo!
Scooby-Doo!
Full turn. I'm chewing gum right now.
Mohawk Warrior.
Give you the full look around of him. Yeah, right, dudes? Comment down below if we made another video like this.
Okay,
I'm pretty sure we did.
Here we have Son of a Digger, Jacobs.
I don't think this is... Oh, that's actually what it's called. I don't know if it's yet. Yeah, it says it right there.
This is his monster truck.
No, yeah, I don't play with monster trucks. I play with big toys. Or not even toys.
What's this?
This guy is the NEA. It's some NAE police. Comment down below if you know what NAE means.
Here we have Max D.
Max D. Like spikes on it. Says his name up here.
Here we have Monster Mutt. It's the Dalmatian. The Dalmatian one. Here we have another Monster Mutt.
The Rot Wheel or something like that.
Here we have everybody's favorite, Grave Digger.
Grave Digger.
Hey, lady.
I want
Here we have Iron Man.
Iron Man. My brother wanted to do this somewhere else, but I told him there wasn't enough lighting.
Here we have Hot Wheels.
Up at the top.
Here we have Captain's Curse.
Captain Curse. Sword, one in his mouth and one in his hand.
Here we have a Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. And half of these are my brother's, not mine.
We have
Prowler. It's already been 10 minutes.
Here we have Shocker.
Shock. What am I doing?
Here we have Captain America.
The star on his shield is kind of ripped.
No, something ripped. No, you put a stick on it. You put a stick
No,
on
I
it.
did not put a sticker on
Yeah,
that.
you did. At the old house, remember?
I didn't. No, they don't.
Yeah, you
I don't play with monster trucks.
did.
Well, I used to.
Here we have Avenger.
Yeah, Avenger. Sorry, because I can't see that good. I'm not wearing my glasses. They just fell off. Well. Yes, sir.
Here's a bone shaker. This is Jacob's.
It's yours.
I don't know this one's name.
Megabyte.
Now the last one is yours.
The champion. The black stalashing. The champion of 2006.
I like the color that his wheels are. It looks like the regular trucks. Guys, if you don't know
please like this video, subscribe, and comment down below that you did, and you can get shouted out.
I don't know, guys. I'm gonna give these Pokemon cards away.
Hold on, please, guys. I'll see you guys next time.
Dude, this was the card.
You said do my outro. Do my outro.
What does that mean?
Peace.
Okay, guys. Peace.
Bye.